Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrew Laidley. Gas prices are going up tomorrow. All petroleum products, including 87 and 90 gasoline, automotive and ultra-low sulfur diesel, kerosene, propane and butane will increase by 25 cents each. And oil prices traded higher today. Prices rebounded ahead of weekly data, which could show distortion caused by Hurricane Delta. Oil for delivery in November gained 84 cents to settle at $41.04 per barrel. Now, local food chain Island Grill is today warning that the curfew continues to affect sales and jeopardize jobs. Founder Thalia Lynn expressed her frustration recently while indicating that tighter curfew hours, which will be observed over the upcoming Heroes Weekend, is likely to do more harm than good for her business.
When the curfew started, I at least got the local restaurateurs. I wrote to both the Prime Minister and the Minister of Finance and said, you're in danger of the local restaurant chains becoming extinct. And we need some attention.
Fast forward a few months and food operators are still buckling under the pressure, and not for a lack of adapting. Mrs. Lynn explained that her company has rolled out a number of measures using technology and delivery options to support sales, but she argued that the curfew continues to be restrictive. And despite multiple appeals, she noted that a solution has not been forthcoming.
I think we're speaking to the right persons. It's whether they're hearing, that not even listening, but hearing what we're saying. And I don't know how we can gather momentum and make it a stronger voice. I don't have a big voice, right? We need bigger players who have bigger voices.
At the core of this debate is the issue of job security, as more food operators try to balance their earnings with the fate of their workers.
One more hour would probably give us 10% more sales.
Yes.
And when the curfew is too early, say 6 o'clock, think of all my employees who will be laid off or have lesser hours. The majority of my workforce are single mothers, right? They're the most vulnerable group as far as I'm concerned. And if you think of the economy, if they're out of work, who's going to support them?
And even as food operators look ahead with a view to adapt, operators like Thalia Lane believe the authorities aren't doing enough to protect businesses like hers.
On Sunday now, because it's 3 o'clock, I probably won't open up the majority of my stores. Now people lose a day as well.
Mm-hmm.
And people who are looking for their Sunday dinner.
Scotiabank has announced that Audrey Tugwell Henry will be the new president and CEO of Scotia Group Jamaica. Mrs. Tugwell Henry will assume her new role on January 1, 2021. She takes over from the current president and CEO David Noel, who will return to Canada to lead the bank's Atlantic region. Mrs. Tugwell Henry has over 30 years of financial services experience in Jamaica and has been responsible for Scotia's retail banking since 2017. To currency trading now, it ended today with the US dollar selling for $146.61. The Canadian sold for $110.81. $191.07 was the going rate for the pound sterling, while the euro closed at $175.45. The JSE index gained 4,377 points today, and the junior market index is up 2 points. Among the winners were Paramount Trading, ISP Finance Services, Trans-Jamaican Highway US dollar shares, Barita Investments, and The Lab. Now on the losing side were Epley, Consolidated Bakeries, Blue Power Group, Epley Caribbean Property Fund, and Access Financial Services. And that's the Business Day. I'm Andrew Laidley. Good evening.